we age, our priorities in life start to shift. Things that were once important to us, like fast-paced careers or adventurous travel, may start to take a back seat to things like comfort, security, and stability. Hi, I'm Vicki Harvey, owner of Vicki Sells Grand Strand at eXp Realty. One of the most important decisions we can make as we age is where we choose to live. And when it comes to finding a place to call home, it's not just about the four walls and a roof. It's about the lifestyle that comes with it. Buying a home with a lifestyle in mind means finding a home that meets your needs and supports your values. It's about finding a community that aligns with your interests, passions, and hobby. For some, it may be a house with a big backyard for gardening or a garage for tinkering on cars. For others, it may mean a walkable neighborhood with easy access to parks, restaurants, and cultural events. Buying a house with a lifestyle in mind can also mean finding a home that fosters social connections and a sense of belonging. It's about finding a community where you can make new friends and maintain existing relationships. At the end of the day, buying a house with a lifestyle in mind is about creating a home that supports you in living the life that you want to live. It's about finding a place where you can grow old with grace and dignity, surrounded by the things and people that bring you the most joy. So when it comes time to buy a house, don't just settle on four walls and a roof. Find a home that fits your lifestyle and supports your vision for your future. Your old self will thank you. And remember, it's not just a house, it's your home.